Hi everyone, and we are Urgency Marketing A, and during this class, we work on Generate AI text classification project. So before our team member presents application demo, let us go through our agenda. So here is our agenda for today. We have three parts. The first part is about introduction. The second part is about application flow, and the third part is about the future application development. Um, before our team members present application demo, so let us give you some background first. So today we live in the big data era. So we deal with the huge amounts of data that arrive quickly and keep ending the new words. The old way is like we having the experts tag every line one by one. So it's too slow and expensive. We want a quicker, lower the cost way to clean, labor, and analysis that data, and so we use another way like the combine the cloud with the streamlit, like two tools anyone can pick up and use. So first, our team wrote a clear step-by-step prompt to guide each the model. Then we cleaned up and improved our humans labeled like the ground truth data sets. So it was very reliable. So after that, we run the several AI systems on the syntax tasks and compare their results. Next is my teammates will show how to use the five applications like the text transformation, dictionary refinement, classifier, word matrix, and the John table. So it's start to for the demo.
Okay, so first of all, we will use the text transformation app to get the okay, to get the free refreshing app. So first we will input the raw file, your raw data file, and after it's already input, we will choose uh, the ID column, which is the user ID. Then we select the context column. In this case, it's going to be the caption column, and we will click transform. This process will take around some seconds. And after you complete it, you can see other view of the process data, which is really visible. And then we can download it by click download CSV. Then we move to the next step, which is the dictionary refinement, which is an AI-powered unigram dictionary generation with comprehensive performance analysis. So first, we will input out your classification pattern, and in this case, it's gonna be classes, glossary, classes timeless, glossary style. Then we click next. In the step, we will choose the file we want to analyze. This one. In this case, we choose this one, and then we choose the column statement and the culture column you want to compare with, which is the mode researcher. And then we can customize our prompt for your purpose. In our case, we will generate a list of unigram keywords for the text classification dictionary, focus on the text based on the context. And then we can use the AI to generate a dictionary based on your text. But in this case, I will use my customized dictionary. Okay. We just need to pass it, and then we click next and run classification. And here's our result. It's, there are four metrics we can see: the accuracy, precision score, recall score, and F1 score. And you can And you also have an option to show only true positive if you want. And in the next step, we will see some top 10 keywords in each metric, like recall, precision, or advanced score. And you can also choose a keyword to view some example. Next, we move to the dictionary classifier creation. In this step, we will choose the output file from our first step, which is transformtext.cfv. This will take us some few seconds. And then we have to use our tactic and dictionary. So we have to type it from the second step. You can copy it. Then input your dictionary. Okay. After you input your dictionary, remember to apply changes. And then we select the column to analyze, which is statement. And then we will click Run Analysis. It's going to take a while. After the analysis, you can see the review of first 20 rows with your result. And in the analysis result, it will divide into different tactics that you include your dictionary. You just want to show your tactic, you can remove all the topic, other previous topic, but we want to compare our topic to the others, so we decided to keep it. And then you can download full result in this one. All right. Now we move to the next step, which is the classifier group metrics, and I have to transform binary classifier results into web-based metric at the statement or ID level. In this step, we will use the output from the previous step, and after you upload it, you will see a review of your uploaded file to see whether you choose the right file or not. And then you can choose your ID column, choose the statement column, and then choose your tactic you want to analyze. In this case, will be has gasset timeless delivery style. But we will also choose some other tactics, to compare with. And then you can choose statement or aggregate to ID level to process your data. And we will do two-time processing to make sure everything running good. And here's the result, the statement level processing mode. You can download it right here. And also the aggregate to ID level. You can see the review result here before downloading it. So after you have the results of the web metric, you can move to the last step to complete your analysis. So first of all, you will upload your raw data file in the first step, and then the output from aggregate to ID level, which is this one. And next, Then you should choose the remove duplicates to remove all the duplicates rule that will prevent you from running the app smoothly. Then you will choose the column that match between two data set to join the table, and you click start join process. Here's a duplicate remove. So if you don't choose the remove duplicate, the app may collapse and then allow you to do the analysis. So here's the result. So the purpose of the dataset is to see the percentage of your text compared to your original dataset. So here's the result. And after you complete your analysis, you can copy save this data and use some app like supply text to convert it into your favorite file format and use it for the analyzer afterwards. And that's the end of the our app flow. Now we move to the next one, which is the future improvement on our app. So in the future, we will normalize the text by converting it to lowercase so that we can remove stop words and apply other pre-processing techniques if it's led to the dictionary paste approach. Second, we will replace dictionary paste method with NLP model like BERT for better classification and or sentiment analysis. We will perform topic modeling using LDA and PERT-based approaches for deeper insight. And last but not least, we will further prompt engineering on creating this app. And thank you guys for listening. Here's our manual instruction to use our app correctly.